Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, we're gonna be doing a baking video. So basically, I'm gonna be doing cornbread. So I'm gonna be baking cornbread. Why is this window open? Oh hell no, that's why there was a big fly in here. Anyways, so I'm gonna be baking cornbread. I haven't did it from scratch in a minute, so I have to look at the recipe again. But I'm gonna be doing that again, basically. Baking that, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Y'all gonna watch me. I've been saying recently that I want to start doing cooking videos because honestly, I like to cook, and I'm like, why not? Like sometimes I don't be knowing what to put in my videos. Like I don't be knowing what to vlog about, so I'm like, let me just start doing cooking videos. But yeah, I just ordered me a camera today, so it's coming in the mail in like 5 days probably. Don't mind how I look. Yeah, I look crazy, but that's coming in the mail in like 5 days, hopefully. So yeah, so with this recipe, we're gonna be using honey. We're gonna need flour, baking powder. We need vanilla extract, but I don't have that anymore. I ran out because I made candy yams the other day. I should have recorded that too, but yeah, I made candy yams. So we're gonna be needing brown sugar and white sugar. We're gonna need eggs. I don't know if I'm gonna use 1 egg or 2 eggs. I think I might use 1 egg. Yeah, because I don't want it to be too wet, you know. And then we're gonna need a pinch of salt, and that's pretty much it for the recipe, I believe. Let me double check. Oh, and butter and regular milk. So yeah. All right, so we're gonna melt some butter as well to because we're gonna put butter inside, and then we're also gonna put butter on top, melted with mixed with honey. So yeah, let me turn this light on. So we just need a bowl. I have macaroni salad in the blue one. Oh my god, these flies are so annoying. Goodness. All right, so we're gonna use a pot for now. Yeah. So I forgot the measurements. I'm telling you, I haven't did this in so long. But we're just gonna wing it, to be honest. We're just gonna wing it. Oh, and I'm forgetting the main ingredient. The cornmeal. All right, I'm gonna get back to y'all when I find the cornmeal. It's somewhere around here. All right, so we got the cornmeal. This is how it looks. I dead spilled some the other day. But nah, this cat got issues. How the cabinet slammed and she jumped. So how many cups of cornmeal? Let me see. It should say right here, actually. Let me double check. All right, we're just gonna use this recipe right here. It's the same stuff, but the measurements, I'm gonna have to look on here because. So we're gonna use 1 cup of cornmeal. Gotta make sure it's exactly 1 cup. Boom. Guys, I'm sorry for the fly in the back. If it's disturbing you, I'm sorry. Pissing me off too. All-purpose flour. It's a lot of powder going on in here. Boom. Baby, I don't have that cup. And everything get lost. All right, so that. I mean, we don't have vanilla extract anyway, so I guess I'm gonna just add a little bit more of that sugar because the vanilla extract gives it a lot of good flavor too. Listen, it's almost the same thing. As long as all the ingredients is going in there, that's all that matters, boo. A pinch of salt. I'm gonna put it in my hand first. Oh, see? Have that much. Literally. Now let's put a little more. All right, that's it. I hope y'all can see everything on the video. Damn, y'all can't even see. It's because my ice machine is in the way, but this is how it's looking so far. And we need brown sugar. So a cup of milk. Bro, ain't no way this fly is just like, this shit is messing up my whole video. Pissing me off. Alright, let me use this much. I wish I had a good stirring like a whisk or something. I even forgot how long to bake it. That's how long I haven't made it. I kind of want to put more cornmeal. Something is just telling me. So it's looking like this right now. I have to melt some butter and some honey up in there. So about this much. Alright, so I already preheated the oven. I put it for 375 and I'm gonna put it for 25 minutes. So I have my butter in here. I don't want to spill it. Where's the honey? So I'm gonna put some honey inside and then mix it. So you just squeeze it to your liking. Then you just want to stir it a little bit because it's sticky, so you're gonna make sure it's like melted in there. And I'm gonna show you what I like to do at the end. So now that that's mixed up in there, just pour it. Mix. All right, so we have it here. Now I'm just waiting for the oven to be done heating up. So now you want to take your pan, avocado spray, olive oil spray, whatever spray you have, and you want to spray the sidewalls and the bottom so that it won't stick, obviously. And you just, like you baking a cake, you know? All right, the oven is about to be ready. So once you do that, I'm about to show y'all right now. And what I like to do is I take these crackers, and it's made with honey as well. Graham crackers, whatever. So I do that, and then, so first I'm gonna sprinkle some honey again on top. Remember I said I was like, oh, I'm gonna add more honey, you know? Boom. So it should look like this, like that. I mean, you could play with it and start doing designs, you know, like this. And then once you're done with that, you just take some crackers and you just, I should mash it up in a Ziploc bag or mash it up with your hands, whatever you want to do, just mash it up. So you do it like this. I don't think I'm gonna mix it with butter, to be honest. It's gonna take too long. So I'm just gonna put some oil in it just to wet it up a little bit. You know. And just crumble it, you know? That's what you gotta do. I actually came up with this myself. I made cornbread one day. I mean, I'm sure other people do stuff like this, but I didn't see this nowhere. But one day I was making cornbread and I'm like, let me come up with an evento, you know? And let me just do some crazy stuff. All right, this is another one. And I was like, I'm gonna just add some, since it's sweet as well, I'm gonna just add some graham crackers. And we're gonna see how it come out. And ever since then, I started doing my cornbread like that. All right, so it looks like this right now. So that's how you want it to look. Now we're gonna put it in the oven. Put that for 25 minutes, so boom. So I'm gonna put everything away. I actually have to make some more rice because yesterday, I still have a little bit of chicken from yesterday. If you watched the last video, I made chicken in the oven. So I was gonna make more rice today with that. And I have macaroni salad in the fridge. So yeah, I'm just thinking about making more rice. I don't know if I wanna make white rice or yellow rice. But I don't think I'm gonna put that in this video, to be honest. Then baking. Use these little muffins, you know? These little mittens. Alright, so it looks like this right now. Let me stick a fork through it. Nice and wet in the middle. Well, not in a bad way, but you know, pretty good. Pretty good. Honestly, I don't even need. Let's see. Looks good to me. So I'm gonna add a little more honey on top, just cause. Now, okay, cause I didn't want to touch it, like, you know. This is how it looks. We're gonna put this on cause I'm not trying to get burned. Y'all see that? It's not too light, it's not too dark. I'm gonna try a piece for y'all because in my last video I noticed that I didn't try my food. I was tight. Well, I didn't try my food for y'all. So y'all see? Y'all can see a little bit. But we about to try it right here. Take my little spoon. Well, I feel like I want syrup on it. What the hell? Try this at home. Try this at home. With some macaroni, salad, rice, and chicken. And Big Mac. I'm sorry, I don't have no Big Mac. But I give it a 9 out of 10. Let me not toot my own horn. I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10. That's that. Let me eat first before I talk. This bus with some milk. But I hope y'all enjoyed this little baking video. Let me know what else y'all want to see me bake or cook. Because like I said, I like to cook, so let me know. And I hope y'all enjoyed it. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'm going to see you in the next one.